Welcome to your practice. This 10-minute meditation is designed to bring stillness and presence into your day. Tonight, this space is yours. A place to return to stillness, to quiet the noise, to remember who you are beneath it all. Find a comfortable seat. Sit cross-legged if you can. Let your hands rest softly, palms up. Close your eyes gently. Good. Now, become aware of your breath, not changing it, just watching it. Inhale, exhale. Let the breath deepen. Slow and steady. Inhale low into the belly. Feel it rise. Hold it just for a moment. Exhale slowly. Let it go. Let it all go. Draw the breath deep. With each breath, feel your spine grow tall, your crown lifting, your body rooted like a tree, earth below you, sky above, and you right here. Let it be simple. Now, bring your attention inward. With every breath, feel energy rise up the spine, from the base to the belly, the heart, the throat, to the space between your eyebrows. Exhale. Feel it radiate from that point. This is your center. Let yourself rest here. Feel it rise and fall. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Come back to the breath. Come back to your center. Begin your mantra. Something simple. So, on the inhale, hum on the exhale. So, hum. Let it repeat gently. Let it settle. Now, release the mantra. Let the breath move naturally. Let the body be still. Just be. This moment is enough. There's no rush, just be. Everything you need is here. Let the air move freely. That's it. Nice and easy. Stay with it. If the mind drifts, come back here. Breathe into that space. Keep your breath soft and slow. Let it wash over you. You're doing just fine. No need to control, just observe. Begin to return gently. Feel the weight of your body again. Feel the breath. Feel the room. Feel this moment. Blink your eyes open, slowly. Move your fingers, your neck, your shoulders. Let this quiet follow you into whatever comes next. You are grounded, you are clear, and you are ready. Come back to this practice anytime you need to reset. Let this stillness walk with you into whatever comes next. If this helped you find peace tonight, drop a like or share this with someone who could use it too. There's more stillness waiting whenever you need it.